In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital magazine in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank screen to a polished ready-to-share magazine that looks professional and reads smoothly. Start by opening Canva and using the search bar at the top to look for magazine or magazine cover. This brings up thousands of pre-designed templates created for different styles and industries. Take a moment to preview a few options. You are looking for a layout that matches your tone, clean and minimal for a modern look, or bold and colorful for something more energetic. You can also filter by style to narrow things down quickly. Once you've picked a template, decide how you want to use it across your magazine. You can apply it to all pages for a consistent, branded feel, or mix and match layouts for different articles to create variety. If you mix designs, keep a common thread like the same color palette or font pairings so the magazine still feels cohesive. Now, craft a compelling cover using the magazine cover option. Think of the cover as your billboard. Choose a strong focal image, write a clear headline, and add a short subheading to hint at what's inside. Keep elements aligned and spaced evenly. A simple, striking cover often stands out more than one that's overloaded with text. Move into your inner pages by adding content with the Elements tab. Frames, shapes, and grids will help you structure your layouts. Drag a grid onto the page for a clean column structure. Then drop images into frames so they auto-crop. Use shapes for callouts, pull quotes, and sidebars. Leave generous margins and white space so your pages breathe and are easy to read. For visuals, upload your own high-quality photos or choose from Canva's library. Aim for images that share a similar color temperature and style to keep everything unified. Crisp, well-lit photos elevate the entire magazine. So avoid anything blurry or overly busy. Dial in your typography to create a clear visual hierarchy. Set a distinct font and size for headlines, a complementary style for subheadings, and a highly readable font for body text. Maintain consistent line spacing and contrast so paragraphs are easy on the eyes. Limit yourself to 2 or 3 font families to keep things polished and on brand. When everything looks right, download your magazine as a PDF print file for the highest quality. This ensures sharp text and images. Perfect for sharing or printing. Give each page a quick final review. Then export and you are done. Thanks for watching.